You want to go to Stripe settings by tapping on this gear icon at the top right of the screen. Then tap on Payments option right here. And tap on Payment Methods option besides Checkout and Payment Links. On this window, you want to scroll down and search for the payment method named Link. On the Link option over here, click on the three dots and choose the View Details button. This little window will appear and you want to click on Advanced Settings button. Make sure the link is turned on or enabled as your payment method, otherwise you will not see this Advanced Settings button. And don't worry, you can always turn it off or disable the link as your payment method after this is done. It will then take you to this page and you want to scroll down. Then at the optimizations, click on the Show Cashback Offers option and tap on Disable button at the bottom right of the screen. And you are good to go. As you can see, these optimizations will apply across all payment methods configurations. And also don't forget to disable or remove the link as your payment method in the checkout by clicking on this disable button if you don't want the link to appear in your Stripe checkout. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.